Hi, my name is Jay Rolchin. I'm with the National Farm Toy Builders and Collectors Society. Here today we've got Kendall. He's one of our hot young builders. He's a good friend of mine, and we do projects once in a while, and we just kind of wanted to show you how we do some of our projects. Builders and Collectors Society is about getting the new generation involved and giving them the hands-on experience to have some fun. So, what are we going to build?
100 Chevrolet. We're gonna put chassis, rims, flatbed.
Yep. And what is it? Pulling truck.
Pulling truck.
Pulling truck. That's what we're gonna build today. So we got one of our frames here. I think what we're gonna start with is we'll probably get the body removed off here, and so we're gonna do some drilling. And once we get that body off, we'll get the tires and wheels on. So we can get started with that. All right, I'm gonna hold. I'll let you work the trigger. Okay. I'm gonna hold him. There you go. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. There you go. Want me to do this one? All right, I'll do that. Sometimes it does get a little violent, so keep your hands tight. All right, so on these green lights, you just typically have to drill the 3 rivets out, and then they come out just fine. So we got that guy. You can save him for other projects if you want. You got some nice wheels you can use on a hay wagon or something to get your hay wagon all fancy. So we'll set him off to the side. Okay, so what did you do with your wheels? What'd you do yesterday?
So I painted them.
Yeah, what'd you go with?
A whole chrome rim and a tiny dot in the middle of the rim to go black.
Nice. And what'd you use to paint those?
Tiny little brushes.
Okay.
And a chrome pen.
Yeah, the chrome pen. A lot of people are learning about this, but it's the Malto chrome pen. You can get them in different sizes. You know, probably can't see that, but it does a really nice job on chrome. You can do it on wheels and stacks and all sorts of other things. So if you're ever wondering how people get some chrome nice, they got those chrome pens. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some of our nice pulling tires here on our rims. So you wanna grab a couple? And we're gonna have to push those through. And so what we got here is just kind of a nice 35-inch, kind of a double cut. A little bit of a skinny. We're gonna do more of a street stocker kind of puller. Getting it? No, it is kind of a tight fit. But. So Kendall, what other kind of stuff do you build?
Tractors.
Yeah.
And that's.
What other fun projects have you done? What's your favorite tractor that you built so far? I know you got a few customs.
My first.
Which one? What kind of tractor was it?
An IH 5. I don't remember.
Don't remember?
I don't remember the number, but an international putt. I put new rear weight.
Yeah.
New rims, new tires, and new front weight.
Nice. And you did some garden tractors too. I've seen those. You did some little pullers. Those turned out real well. So, all right. So now that we got our body separated, we've got just a little 3D printed frame, just kind of a puller style frame. And what we're going to do is bore the axles out just a little bit so we can get our axles to slide free. I like to use 3/64 brass rod. Some guys will use 16th, but you can go down to 3/64 and it's still plenty of rigid, so you don't have a lot of flex. All right, so we got 2 drill sizes. I like to use 1.2 mil drill bits for the axles. So what we're gonna do is that, and then I'll hold one and we'll let you twist it. How about that? Okay? All right, so get them right there in that pilot hole. Yeah, let's hold them good and straight. There you go. Give them some twists. Yep, keep twisting. Keep them a little straighter. There you go. Yep. Nice job. All right. I think you got him. Yep. Okay. We got to do the other ones. You're excited to get that bed glued on, aren't you? All right. So what Kendall's got here is it's just a little. This is a 3D printed bed cover, but honestly, you can make a bed cover out of pretty much anything. If you've got some plastic, even some heavy like postcard material, and you don't need to have a lot of fancy tools and stuff to do this. If you have a black Sharpie marker, you can just take a Sharpie marker and color your cardboard and glue it on. So you don't need all sorts of high-tech fancy stuff. You can get by with what you got. So I'm gonna put the glue on here and I'll let you get that put in place. All right, so I'll let you slide him on there. Nice. Okay, so we'll just set him aside for a minute, let him dry. We'll get other two hubs drilled. Okay. There you go. Nice job. Just you got him? Okay. I'm just gonna make sure we're cleaned out. There we go. All right, one more.
I already did that one.
Yep, I just want to make sure we're cleared all the way to the bottom. Okay, so now what we can do is let's get our left side and right side set up. So I gotta look close here. All right, I got the right side. You got the left side. Okay, there we go. So those two are together. All right, so what we're gonna do, I guess this is how I like to do it. I usually glue in one axle shaft side and then get our size to fit. So I'm gonna have you hang on to him and I'll give you a little bit of glue and we're gonna put glue on. There you go. Got him? All right. Then I like just to put them down and get them stood up, make sure they're in there good and tight. So grab your other axle shaft. We'll do the other one. All right, there you go. Nope, this guy. All right, get him down and then just push just a little bit to make sure we got him in there. Okay, then they're good and straight. Okay, left side, right side, you gotta be sure to keep them straight. All right, so now we gotta drill the axle shafts out a little bit. So on mine, I like to use a 1.4 millimeter. It gives enough clearance for the 3/64 rod. Like I said, a lot of guys use a lot of different things. That's just what I tend to use. All right, so I'll get this started and I need you to twist and we're just gonna clean out the axle shaft. Yep, use both hands. Just give her a little pressure. Yep. Yep, keep pushing through. There you go. All right. Screw them back out. Let's get the back side. There you go. Yep, just twist and get them through. Oh, keep them straight. Hang on. Yep, there you go. You're through. Yeah, now back them out. Good job. All right. All right, so we got our axle frame drilled out. We're gonna slide our axles through. The only thing, just be careful if you have a little extra glue on your hubs to get it off. I've done it more than a few times. I have glued my hubs to the frame. So just make sure your glue is dried. All right, so we got the right side. So Kendall, you want to take him, and I'll let you take the frame, and you're just going to slide that right through there. A little snug yet? All right, let me take a look, make sure we're all lined up. Oh yeah, he's still snug. All right, let's go back. We'll take our drill. We'll just drill out just a little bit more. And the other thing, it doesn't hurt just to like make sure your ends aren't burred up. Like this one is the wrong end of the snip, so it's a little burred. All right, let's see if we can do this one more time. All right, you want to slide him through? Perfect. Okay. So I usually get my axles through and then I'll cut. You know, you can kind of get your axle up there, tire, just kind of size it up. I always cut them plenty long because, you know, you hate to cut an axle too short and then you can't get your hub on. So we'll snip off just a little bit more. You want to do this? Yeah, right there. Big muscles. I know you got it. There you go. All right. So, okay, so what we'll do is I'll have you take him. Well, we're not going to glue just yet. We got a test fit. You always got a test fit. So I'll you take him, get that on there. There you go. Yeah? What do you think? Think that's a little bit of play? Think he'll spin?
Yeah.
See if he spins. Is he going to roll? All right. Not bad, huh? Okay, so let's go back. We'll pull him off, and you want to do the glue? All right, here, let's tilt him down just a little bit and just really gently squeeze. Tilt him up a little bit more. There you go. Perfect. Okay, I'll let you get your wheel on there. You want to hang on to him? Hang on to him. Nice and snug. Okay. Yeah, give him a little squeeze. And then, all right. And I always like to make sure my wheels are still spinning because you do get a little glue residue on there. So, yeah? You liking it?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay, so make sure which way's your tread got to go. Which way does the tire go? You got it. You got it. And again, that's something I've done plenty of times. Put the tire on with the tread wrong. But okay. All right, we got that nice narrow rear end. Okay, so I'm gonna let you do the snipping. Where do you think? I'll start there. You can come in a little bit farther. Here, I'll kind of line you up and let you do the muscle work. There you go. Got him? Nice job. Okay. So let's test fit our tire. You gonna check your tire? Get your tire fit on? You getting tired? I know this is a long process. Should have brought some candy. Yeah? You like that? Fits good? All right, you ready to glue? All right, let's glue them. All right, a little bit of dab on there again. Yep, get them down. Nice job. I'll hold them right there. Perfect. You look like you've done this before.
Could I have?
How many trucks have you built?
4.
4? You're an old pro. You should be showing me how to do this. All right. Well, what do you think happens next? Ready to put the body on. All right, so let's just set them on. Well, let's just put them on there, make sure everything fits right. Okay, is he fitting? All right, what do you think we got to do? Let's take a look at the bottom. What do you think's not working?
These.
Got a little burr on them? Okay. Let's see what we got to do here. All right, so it looks like we got just a little bit of burr. I don't have a file with me, but there is a hole in here, so we'll just kind of open him up a little bit.
There was also one in
Yeah,
there.
got a little bit of a burr. That's all right. Okay, so he's a little snug, but all right. So what we're gonna do is get a little glue on him. Here, let me see the snippers. We'll just do the old snipping trick, which goes a long ways. Oh, I know. On some of these frames, you do have to remove a little bit of the cowl, so you can pull that out, and you just give a little snip right there, and it kind of V's out the notch. These frames have a fender well kind of built into them. How many of these trucks have you built?
Like this?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Probably
That's all right.
with a flatbed one.
Yeah, you built one flatbed?
Yeah.
It's all right. So after a little bit of work, we had to do a little bit of adjustment on the frame. There was just some burrs here on the bottom that we kind of had to shave out, and we had to do a little sanding on the frame to get it right. But I think we're in business. So Kendall, why don't you go and see if we can get that body fitted on the frame? See how it goes. Yeah, all fits in there pretty nice. You like how it looks? You ready to glue? All right. So let's just lay a little strip of the glue on the back there. I'll let you hang on to them. There you go. Yeah, let you give just a few more right up there. Nice. Okay. I'll try getting the body on. Maybe even give it one little dab right there, right by the hole. Yep, forward. Right there. Yep, right there. Nice job. All right. All right, let's get that body fitted on. Now let's just make sure he's square. Yep. So just try to make sure he's sitting in there just right. Does that feel like that's good? Mm-hmm. All right. All right, so there's our kind of nice little street stocker puller. That kind of wraps up the project with Kendall and I. You know, it's just nice to get out, get your hands dirty, do a little bit with the youngsters. If you have any questions, we've got our Facebook page, National Farm Toy Builders and Collectors Society. Stop on in, say hello. We're just kind of looking to continue to promote the hobby and give back and educate the next generation. Thanks.
My name is Kendall, and I am the next generation of custom builders.